In Path of Exile 2, many players who farm Kulemak and save up several Kulemak keys encounter a strange issue. When they try to go back inside, the Kulemak instance doesn't reset as expected. In this video, I'll explain how the instance reset mechanic works in Path of Exile 2 and show you exactly what to do to refresh your Kulemak run properly. The solution to the Kulemak instance reset issue in Path of Exile 2 is actually very simple. All you need to do is teleport back to town, then run back to the cliff edge where the Kulemak portal is waiting. Once you're in front of the instance, hold down the control key and left-click on it. This will let you open a brand new instance right away, without waiting for the normal reset timer. The trick works not only for Kulemak keys, but also for any map or instance in Path of Exile 2 that you want to refresh instantly. It's especially useful if you're farming and stacking multiple Kulemak keys, since it saves you time and prevents wasted attempts. Try it yourself, and if this guide helped you, please leave a like, drop a comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more.